Below the title bar is an area known as the ribbon. This is where all the command icons live. You can see that the ribbon is divided into a number of panels. For example, we have a draw panel, a modify panel, a notation panel, and so on. And each panel includes the icons for tools in that particular category. So you can see draw panel has icons to draw and a couple of more if we open the arrow. The panels on the ribbon are the tabs. You'll notice that currently we're looking at the Home tab, but there are a number of others like Insert, Annotate, Parametric, and so on. If I click on the View tab, you'll notice that the panel changed to show tools which relate to viewing options. And you can notice also that there are other tabs. Clicking back on the Home tab brings us back to our default panels, and these are the tools which we would use most frequently. Below the ribbon, there is the drawing area, and this is the area where you will create drawings or view drawings. For example, if I use application menu to open a drawing, you can see what is inside the file, and you'll see the drawing in the drawing window here. Notice that this is a drawing area, and inside you have also three icons in the top right hand corner, and they fulfill the same function as those on the application window. So we can minimize, we can restore, or we can close the drawing. Notice also that close it and okay, we return to the previous place. Now, in the bottom left hand corner of the drawing area, there is the UCS icon. You can see it as a double-headed arrow with an X and a Y. Its purpose is to remind us of the direction and the position of both of these axes. And if we were looking at a drawing in 3D mode, we'd also see a Z axis. A little below the drawing area, there is a place where we have what we call model and layout tabs. And they allow us to view our drawing either in model space or in a paper space layout. Let me open again the drawing we've seen a couple of moments ago. And we see this drawing in model space, where we usually draw, edit, change properties, and so on. But if I want to plot the drawing, I can click on the Layout tab, and here I can see the same drawing on a sheet of paper and displayed within what's called a viewport.